So, you finally reached out.
The only time you ever reached out was to take something that didn't belong to you.
Oh, here we go. God, just thinking about that bloody woman makes my chest hurt.
That's your angina, George, not my Angela.
Let it go, Arthur. It's been 50 bloody years. Dad always said you were too sensitive.
Perhaps I reminded him of himself.
What? You couldn't have been more different. You cried at the drop of a hat. Men's tears were a sign of weakness, he said. That's why he'd never let me go soft. Man protected you far too much.
He was too hard on you, George.
I was his firstborn. It was his way of showing he cared.
Right.
You don't understand. He needed me to be strong, in case something happened to him. I hated him until I had my first son. Then I understood.
How is David?
Dunno. Haven't seen him.
Really?
You picture me with grandkids round my feet. Annie, she thinks he's better than the rest of us. She thinks I emasculated him.
I just thought that since Kathy died...
Well, you think I need their company? I'm not like you, Arthur. I don't let anyone rattle my cage. As the man said, you come into this world alone, you go out alone. Don't rely on anyone else.
That's not who he was, George.
I knew him better than anyone. I knew him better than you, Arthur. He was tough. Of his age. He didn't suffer vulnerability.
He was sensitive.
No, you don't know what you're talking about. They clocked you for that, you know?
Look, I found a book of his in a drawer after the funeral.
What book?
Personal stuff.
Diary?
Poetry.
Poetry?
I think he wrote it to heal himself.
No, you don't know what you're talking about. He hated anything poncy.
Maybe he couldn't admit it. Maybe you were one of the reasons that he needed it.
What?
His anger crippled you both.
You don't know what you're talking about.
I think he was just trying never to feel too much again, George. It's all in the book.
What is?
He was in love.
Oh, yeah? With whom?
Another man. Jack, killed in the war. A forbidden love that tore Dad apart. His anger was his attempt to carry on living.
I don't believe it.
No, it just makes so much sense, you know. His problem with sensitivity. Maybe he just couldn't admit it.
You don't know what you're talking about. I think it's absolutely disgusting.
George, it's nothing to be ashamed of. These are different times. Love is what love is.
What does that even mean?
Listen. I dreamed of you bathed in a loving light that warmed my blood, put sweat upon my brow. In darkness, craving one last parting sight, I foolishly reject what fate avowed. There is no filling up this void you've left, no fresh oasis in this desert land. I wander without the courage to accept, so deny all love with a cold and heavy hand. Take pity on me, Jack, and with me stay. Your lover is heartbroken, at wit's end. Pity me, my unrelenting days, for I lament the loss of my best friend. Though joy may best reflect our shared belief, I weep to make the less my depth of grief.